Oh my God.
I don't know.
Move.
Hey, don't be yelling at me.
No,
Y'all
no.
don't know what y'all doing in here. Everybody think they're a chiropractor till somebody end up paralyzed, then you just Jadakiss in the wheelchair. Oh, Jesus. What? No, he's not okay, man. You just cracked his back like a cold, man. Straight crack.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, straight out of Jamaica. Now, one of my American friends told me about this dude called Tony Baker, right? And they said I can't watch his videos or his voiceovers without having a laughter. And you know I'm gonna try it because, for one, we love laugh from right. I'm trying my best to like speak standard English in this video, even though the Jamaican accent go kick in. But don't really feel the mind. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. But anyways, we Jamaicans, we love laugh. Yes, me I say we love to laugh, and I don't think I'm going to laugh during this video. You understand? So if I do laugh, what's the point? I ain't got no punishment. I don't know. I ain't got no punishment. I must pass it up next time. We're just gonna watch this video and try not to laugh. Okay, guys, and let's see how this goes. This is my first time listening to any of his like content or whatever. I really don't know the person, Tony Baker. I really don't know the person, but I'm just gonna check it out right now and I try not to laugh. Please like the video, guys, to support the Jamaican boy. Okay, now let's get straight to this video. Woo. I'll link the original video down below in the comments in the description, right? Alright.
Look at who you came to see. I'm the horse you better bow when I step on your street. Look at who you came to see, cause I'm bored, you better. Look at these robust cinnamon curls, y'all. What y'all looking at over here? Oh, okay, brown sugar. This is what I'm talking about right here now, you know what I'm saying? Hey, don't just give me fat mid-meal, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I want the noodles and the gravy together, man. I want the noodles and the gravy together, man.
Our cat does not like the fact that we're all home quarantined.
Yeah, damn right I don't like it now. Hush. Y'all always talking and doing stuff.
Sorry.
I don't want to hear sorry. I want you out.
Wow.
I want you out of here. Feed me. Let me rub your leg. Get the hell out of here. Oh, I'm praying that you are who you are.
Wait a minute.
See what the hell Cordell over here doing, man. What up, Cordell? Stop calling me, Rudy. Now, hold on a second. I just met you. Your energy is a bit much.
Oh, that's just nasty.
I
laughed.
nothing.
Damn, okay.
I think it's just a house settling, like y'all be saying.
What is in your mouth?
Oh, nothing. I got teeth in here. My tongue is in here, you know.
Jackson.
What's up, Katrina? What can I help you with?
I hear it.
Oh, you hear my stomach growling?
What is in your mouth?
Well, I can tell you what's not in my mouth. That food you promised that you was going to feed me day after day. Where's the purina, the sausages, the kibbles and bits? Where's that at, Katrina? 588-2300 Empire. Hey, open up the door, yeah.
Okay, no, that one is hilarious. I gotta pause for that. No, that one is hilarious. You know the comment down, the comment, the advertisement. You know, jumping at the eye. But does he mostly like do voiceovers for animals though? Alright, I'm gonna give it to him. He's funny, but it's not the way. Look at this. I ain't gonna laugh no more. Enough.
Stay inside. That goes for us too. You know what I'm saying? I'm not staying out. Y'all ain't gonna leave me out here. You know what I'm saying? Let me up in here. Whoa! Look at what we got up in here, y'all. Y'all just inside, nestled, tucked in. Huh? Where's the food at? Where's the food at? Y'all in here hiding from that beverage, just gonna leave me outside. You just gonna leave me outside? After what I do for this family, Vicky? Get your hands off me, man. I'm staying inside.
Oh my God.
I don't know.
Move.
Hey, don't be yelling at me.
No,
Y'all
no.
don't know what y'all doing in here. Everybody think they're a chiropractor till somebody end up paralyzed, then you just Jadakiss in the wheelchair. Oh, Jesus. What? No, he's not okay, man. You just cracked his back like a cold, man. Straight crack epidemic pookie for New Jack City, man. Why you stand on his back like that, man? Come on, dog. Don't do your boy like this. I need you in these shit. Oh, come on, man. You a cold piece, man. I thought we was going to be on horse, but you just going to be riding and I'm going to be walking.
Why the hell did I laugh? I told myself I wasn't gonna laugh. That one was not even that funny. Why in a stupid dog's name would you have a thick ass lady like that stepping on your back? Please. But this dude doing the voiceover, Tony Baker, he's only doing the voiceover for the dog. Ain't that crazy? Let's go. This is okay, let's go.
Shh, don't tell on me. Listen, if he finds me in here, he's gonna take me to the groomers, and then I gotta get these robust cinnamon curls.
Is this dog hiding?
Oh, Jesus, I gotta get the hell out of here. Why is she wearing that? I don't know, man, but I can't stop watching. Humans got horrible skin. Where the scales at?
Ew.
Get off there, Derek. I got it, man. Come on, man. This is easy work for you, boy. Easy work for you, boy, man. Derek.
Aww.
Yeah, he going that
Poor
fast.
big
Derek,
ass
did
dog.
you stay back here? I thought you ran into the living room. Derek.
Punk.
Derek.
Punk out your dog.
Hey, come on, man. Listen, I can't afford this rent by myself. This sectional couch ain't even paid for, Derek.
Oh, hell no.
Don't do your boy like this. Derek,
This
did you
dog
even
say
stock
can't
up on
afford rent.
food before you disappeared? Wait, hold on. I smell the back of your neck, man. Hey, Derek, man, come on, man.
I
You be
smell the
playing
back of
too
your
much,
neck.
man.
Oh,
The
my
the
God.
rent,
Come
man.
on,
I can't do
man.
this rent by myself. Hey. What's
I
happening
give it
out
to
there?
him. He's funny.
I can
wasn't
kind of
gonna
see
laugh,
through this
man,
curtain.
but- Oh, hell no.
Funny business going on. Hey, you better leave my box alone. Ready, bro? I don't know if I can hold her up. I can't hold her. When you're trying to go for a night out on the town, but your ankles are still in quarantine. When your dress is on 10, but your ankles is on 1.6. When your ankles is gluten-free. When your dress was in theaters, but your ankles was straight to DVD. And your ankles tested positive. When you bought your ankles from the 99
Oh,
cents. store. When your
no. When you bought the ankles from 99 cents, this was instead of roasting this lady. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really thought he only did voiceovers for animals and shit, but this was crazy. He's going after this lady's ankles. Let's go.
Ankles died first in a horror movie. When your ankles got 7 missed calls.
Wait. He said when the ankles died first in a horror movie. When the ankles got 7 missed calls. Let's go.
Your ankles was left on red. When your ankles was boneless with a side of honey mustard.
When your ankles was left unread. Meaning you texted and you didn't reply. You can get a reply. Boom. When your ankles are so honey mustard. Oh my gosh. It's because the only reason why I'm laughing is because I've been in America like for a year now, right? And I've been around other Americans because I work with y'all. And most of y'all, especially the black folks, because of the black Americans, man, they're the most, they're just like Madea. These black Americans are just like Madea, especially the females. These are just like Madea. Oh my God, they go.
Your ankles is as flimsy as CVS receipt. When your ankles got
Oh, hold on. You just went for CVS. Some of Jamaicans who don't know CVS. Obviously, people really don't know. CVS is like, I know y'all heard of Walmart, right? Well, it's like the fancy Walmart, and I should say. It's like a clinic. It's like a pharmacy. Mostly a pharmacy, but it sells stuff. So, the receipt. They do sell where the ankles films like CVS receipt. Oh, hell no.
got fired, but you showed up to work anyway. When your ankles got blocked on Instagram. When your ankles couldn't afford that rent in Monopoly. Your ankles walked on stage at Jerry Springer just to get socked up. Your
Ooh.
ankles got hit with a draw 4 in Uno. When your ankles' favorite artist is
Uno. I know y'all know Uno, though. Tell me y'all know Uno. When your ankles got hit with a draw 4 in Uno. That's the stupidest thing ever, man. Like, I really didn't learn Uno until like 2 months ago, and I will kick your ass in Uno right now. But I know the struggles when you hit someone with a draw 4. Just about to win the game. Bow! Oh, hell no. Let's go.
Chubby Checker. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist.
Oh.
Bro, just go to bed, bro. Just tap out. Why you still trying to hang out, man? You clearly done. You're done. Go lay down, man. Go lay down. Stop waiting for me, man. Go to bed. Bro, you're tired. And why are you this tired? You should only be this tired if you got a full-time job, 40 hours a week. You ain't even got health insurance, bro. Go to bed. You ain't even got dental. Look who's outside. Take your ass in the house. Take your ass in the house.
Wait. This is a recent video. Damn, this had to do with the quarantine. Oh, I heard the quarantine, the ankles. Is this where they be hitting people to go inside because of quarantine? I think. Let's go.
Take your ass. Take your ass.
It's my shit.
Take your ass in the house.
Take your ass in the house.
Take your ass in the house. Take your ass in the house. Take your. Oh, you just getting supplies? Man, take your ass in the house.
Hey.
Take your ass in the house.
Okay.
Take your ass. Take your ass.
I know I could never live in a country where that's happening outside. Like they give, like in some other countries, yo, they give the authority so much like power over people, yo. Not even over people. It's like so much like I won't say power, like privileges. Like, you did not burn me. You ain't gonna hit me with no damn stick, homeboy. What? But let's go.
Just getting some essentials. Take your ass in the house. Take your ass in the house. Take your ass. Take your ass. Take your ass.
This dude that says take this man.
Take your ass in the house. Take your ass in the house. Take your ass. Take your ass. Take your You think I can't get y'all long range? Take your ass.
Damn. You messed this shit over there.
Take your asses in that house. It's a collective. Take your asses in that house. Out here trying to get spiritual guidance. Guide your ass in that house. Take your asses in that house. Out here trying to get the good word. The good word is
Look at this dude. This dude getting smacked, but he had time to take his shoes out, guys. Look at this dude right here in the blue. Oh no. Look at the one in the blue.
the house. Now come on out here. Come on out here.
Where's he at?
Candles and pilgrimages. Take your ass in the house. Get your biblical sandals and pilgrimage to the house. Now come on out here. Come on out here and get every portion of this stick and take your ass in the house.
Oh no, this was lit. Okay, I take it back, y'all. Coming some more funny videos I want me to react to, right? And this was. Maybe if you want me to check out some more of his videos, maybe he has more funny ones. I'm not sure, but I just found a compilation and it's just like, let me check this out for the one time. Alright, so let me know if you guys enjoyed this little reaction or whatever. You understand me? I really wanted to do something different today on my channel. And as I said, I'm trying to expand and do a whole lot of different kind of reactions. So please comment some more things you want me to check out, and I'm sure to do it. But I do mostly music with the reactions, so you might want to subscribe for that and comment on this video to see your comment in my next video. Peace out.